Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going over our tropics. As you can see, we have 5 areas. 5. Yeah, 5. That is crazy. We have our potential tropical cyclone 9, and then we have Franklin, which is just towards the south of the Dominican Republic. We have Gert off the coast of the Lesser Antilles over here. And then we have Emily just floating around out here towards the central Atlantic. And then we have this other tropical disturbance hanging out over here towards um, the off coast of Africa. So we have these 5 areas. These these two won't really do anything. No, not really. Franklin is going to pretty much pose a threat to the Dominican Republic and Haiti area, maybe in parts of Puerto Rico. This one we'll have to watch, but we will see what the models will show with this one. And then the one over here, this one will impact southern Texas and northern Mexico. So that's currently what's happening for that. But we do want to check out and see what our severe weather is going to be for down here towards Texas. As you can see, there is actually a 2% tornado threat towards South Texas today, parts of southeast Texas. Then we have just a large marginal risk of severe weather due to tropical storm Hillary. It's pretty much more so tropical depression or post-tropical. So that's pretty much what's happening for that. And then we have another area of severe weather that will be forming up here towards um, Minnesota and Wisconsin area. But our main threat is going to be down here towards Texas because, like I said, we have a 2% tornado threat. It's not a large threat, but definitely something to watch. Then over here towards Tuesday, our threat does expand. This is, like I said, a tornado threat. Maybe a little bit of wind. There might be some wind with this. And then we will have a potential tornado threat over here towards Utah, which ain't very common. And then we have just a normal wind threat up here towards UP and the SP of Michigan, well, southern peninsula of Michigan, I should say, and then northern Wisconsin. And then Wednesday, just normal thunderstorms, and then after that, we really don't know. Looking at our model runs, as we put this on motion over here towards my side of the screen, you can see there is Hillary, and then we have, like I said, our tropical system that will be landfalling down here towards Texas. This could be potentially named Harold, Tropical Storm Harold, but we'll have to watch and see what's going to happen with this. Like I said, it's probably, like I said, only a tropical storm. It's not bad like Hillary will be, but most part will be flooding rains. And then, as you can see, it kind of just falls apart by the time it reaches New Mexico. And then after that, we do have all these storms hanging out over here towards northeast and the Ohio Valley area. Because as you can see, like I said, our little bit of severe weather up here towards Minnesota and Wisconsin. You can see we have a little bit of them storm activity, and then after that, we just have more storms just going around this huge ridge, which is our high pressure system. And then, as you can see, rain finally comes over here towards the central plains. But if we go over here, you can see we could be seeing a potential hurricane heading right towards steering pretty much kind of away from the US, just bringing some rib current effects if this is right, which I doubt it. This is probably like the 25th or something further than that. So that's pretty much not going to be the case. We could potentially see something like that. So, and this could be Franklin that could be impacting up here towards the Mid-Atlantic region, but we will have to watch and see what happens to that. But now we're going to be going over all of our storms over here. As you can see, this is our storm over here. This is Emily, and it's a very weak storm. As you can see, there's barely any rain left, any precipitation left. And then over here, this is our tropical system hanging out right here. And then over here towards Caribbean, this is Franklin, and we'll be heading towards the Dominican Republic. So, like I said, if we put this out in motion, you can see there's Franklin, and then there's this other potential tropical cyclone, and then our other storm that's hitting Texas. It's pretty much right there. But if we put this out in motion, there is Franklin hanging out over there. And then, as you can kind of see, like I said, it's going to be steering right off the coast of the Carolinas. So definitely something to watch if this thing becomes a big old hurricane and potentially impact the Carolinas and the Mid-Atlantic region. Maybe potentially the Northeast too. We'll have to watch and see what happens with this. But as time goes on, you can see this is pretty much the furthest that the model goes. As you can see, we just have a surge of rainfall heading towards the southeast and the mid-Atlantic regions. And then we have two areas of potential interest, but this is like all the way out until like the 1st of September. So this is way out there. Like I don't think this is even going to be right. No, it won't be. But now, our last topic of the day is going to be our surging heat. As you can see, it's supposed to be about 101 degrees out here. Holy crap. Actually, no, even worse. Like, we can be seeing like 103, like Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, seeing about 101s, hanging out with them record highs. Yeah, that is dangerous heat. But as you can see, it just hangs out almost 108 over towards Texas, and just keeps on going, keeps on going, keeps on going. And as you can see, our heat does actually start to build out here towards the west again, as normal, after our storm Hillary. And then pretty much this is the furthest that the model goes. Everything kind of the heat weakens out a bit, but starts shifting out here towards the west again. The east, a little bit cooler, but not super cool though. South is still steaming hot, so especially with our warmer waters, like I said, we could be seeing a tropical system any day with this. So we definitely need to watch that. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. That way you guys do not miss the latest information. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.